Hello viewers, WhatsApp about automatic delete problem. In this tutorial, I will explain to you why is this happening and how to fix it. So let's see. Basically, when you set a about on WhatsApp, it has a 1 day time limit by default, and after a day it gets deleted automatically. Now if you want to set it permanently, then follow the next steps. First, set your about. Now here you can see duration. Just click on this option. From here select custom. Now click on save. From here select time duration as long as you want to keep it. After select your time duration, now click on OK. Now again click on OK. Now click on tick mark icon. Now your about will not be deleted automatically. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.